In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this from this to from this to this. No, sorry. From other way around. So from this to this, I'm going to show you. And yeah, that's funny. So new slide. Let's click on layout blank. And now next step, it's go to insert and smart and list. And it's not this one, is where is that? Here in this one, basic pie. Yeah, you also can click on cycle and get this basic pie. Sorry, click on OK. And now, very simple, just press on your keyboard Ctrl+X, not there but here, and this will delete if you don't want this. And also here in this format you can move up, down, denote. If you just want to change this, you can change the color from here, add some bullets, change the shape, or denote, add shape after, before. So yeah, so many other options, but what we want is now we have this shape here, and we want to cut to, maybe you need less of these shapes. Now here you convert to shapes, and that's what's gonna happen. And select this first of all, and here you can convert shapes. You can turn into this, but that's not what we want. Anyways, now let's select this, just this, not this, or this, just this, and click on Ctrl+X. And now let's go to paste special, picture SVG, copy and paste. And now also convert to shape. Now you can, or also on a group. Now you have a bunch of different shapes here. What I'm gonna do, move all the shapes around like this. Grab the first one, go to picture format, shape, shadow, and here in shadow, actually in 3D format here, no rotation, I'm gonna have here 300, and here in depth about 100. And now I'm gonna change the color, and also click on this and go to fill, or you can also go here outline. I don't need outline. And color fill, can select the color fill from here, but also make sure you go here and select something, a bevel that you want, or actually a bottom bevel, or material, sorry, not material, and select one that you want for this graph. Lightning, there's different options. Okay, choose one that you like the most. Okay, and now you can also change the angle here, and now you can select this one here, go to home, format painter, and click on this one, this one, this one, or you can repeat the same process but why doing that when you can save some time with format painter. And now here fill, you can change the color, change this one, and here maybe this one, but I don't like this black. It's too black here, so I can go here and select a different color. Change the size, but it's good 100 here, but got some contour. Change the size, but it's not really. Actually, I don't want to add any of it, but yeah. Now here, as I said, you can add some material, and also this color. You can also add automatic to this, or change, or add, or whatever you want. Or automatic. Looks good, this one as well. Something like this. Now, here is very important to here now it's very important to send, let's say this one, it was here, should be here. Here, this one should be in front, and this one here as well, and that's here, but bring in front. Now we have this also right here, click. Now let's right click here, format background, and add a gradient. Group, and now you can also add some reflection maybe, and of course some shadow. This one maybe not, and this maybe. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.